everyone, it's Melanie again, and I have a new product that I'm going to be trying out with you today for the very first time. So as I'm sure you're probably well aware, charcoal is becoming a really popular product in today's beauty products. Charcoal has been used for years to help remove poisons and toxins from the human body. It's also used for fish tanks to remove poop and algae. So if it's good for that kind of stuff, it's got to be good for your beauty regimen too, right? Well, I've been seeing all these videos and hearing all this talk about this charcoal tooth whitening powder, but I've never seen anything like this. Now this is called Cleangrin Activated Charcoal Whitening Strips. And they are a lot like the strips that you see on TV where you put them on your teeth and leave them on and they're supposed to whiten and brighten. So let's try this product out together. So this is the box that it comes in. And then here's the back of it. It has like some simple instructions on it. And let's open it up and see what's inside. So there's a little instruction manual right here. And inside the box is, oh, I like this. This is a little whitening guide. This is number one. Obviously, this is where you want to be, but most of us are probably not that bright and white. So let's see where mine fall on here. I don't know. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty close. So on this chart of white being the brightest and 20 being the yellowest, I fall right in the middle here at a 10. So we're going to compare the before and afters of me using these whitening strips. Here is the little packet. So it doesn't say anything about having to brush your teeth first or rinse your mouth or anything. So I guess I'm just going to open it up and apply it to my teeth. Okay, here we are. Now, this one is for your lower teeth and this one is for your upper teeth. It says to place the bottom strip first. So let's try that now. So I'm going to remove this. This side is very smooth. There's some little dots on it. And the inside, and it feels sticky a little bit, like rubber. There's nothing coming off on my fingers. It feels almost a little bit like an eraser. It's kind of interesting. All right, so here we go. I'm putting it on my bottom teeth. And I guess I fold this over. Okay, charcoal on my tongue. Okay. It does have a little bit of a taste to it. Almost, I get like a little hint of mint or something. It's not unpleasant. It's just kind of weird, but okay, whatever. I can deal with it. All right, let's do the top. All right. Here we go. And it sticks. Can you hear that? All right, here we go. La 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 la. Oh yeah. Don't I look sexy? Woo woo. I think I might go out there and scare my kid with this. Oh yeah, and it gives me a really attractive little list to go with it. Awesome. I just leave this on for 30 minutes without eating or drinking, and then we will come back and compare the results. I'm excited to see how it works out, aren't you? All right, we'll be back in 30 minutes. I'm back, peeps. All right, we're gonna take these charcoal whitening strips off my teeth. What? Was I supposed to take this off? Wait, sorry, I spit. It doesn't taste bad, ugh, but it feels like I have licorice on my teeth. All right. Okay, so I took these little plastic things off and now, okay. Oh my goodness, this is so funny. I'm gonna rinse my mouth right now and we'll see the finished results, all right? Yum, 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 yum. It takes a couple of tries. Let's keep going. Well, took me quite a bit of rinsing, and there's still a little bit of black stuff between my teeth. I'm actually gonna run some dental floss through my teeth to get the rest of this out so we can really compare how white it is now. All right, oh, look at how shiny and white my teeth are. Are you serious right now? They're like almost glowing in the dark. That is insane. Okay, let's now remember where my teeth were before. They were at a 10 before. Okay, now we're gonna test it against this thing and see where it's at now. What do you guys think? 8? Maybe 7? I don't know, but all I can tell you is either way, they have definitely whitened my teeth. So as you can see, with just one use, my teeth have been whitened at least 2 shades lighter than they were initially. I imagine with continued use of this product, you can definitely get a much higher level of whitening over time. So let's go over the pros and cons. So the pros are, this is made with charcoal. It is supposed to help with sensitive teeth, so it's not supposed to create sensitivity like other whitening strips on the market have been known to do. I like that the first ingredient is actually coconut oil, and people use coconut oil for all kinds of things. So that makes me feel pretty good. The cons were it did take quite a bit of rinsing of my mouth to get that stuff out. It did leave, it was almost like a gelatin feel on your teeth when you remove the strips. The texture of it was a little kind of funky, but you know what? The results speak for themselves. So look at my glowing teeth. And it's definitely less messy than the charcoal whitening powders that are currently all the rage out there. So if you are looking to try an alternative to the teeth whitening strips and the charcoal whitening powder, you should definitely check out these activated charcoal whitening strip from Cleangrin. And if you're interested in this product, I will put the link on my video below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.